How to change the alarm sound on your Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the alarm sound on your Android phone. Start by opening the Clock app on your Android device. If you can't find it, simply search for Clock from your app drawer or home screen. Once you're in the Clock app, tap on the Alarm tab at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a list of all your saved alarms. Next, tap on the alarm whose sound you want to change. This will expand the alarm settings and display additional options. Look for the alarm sound or ringtone and vibration option. Depending on your device, it may show the name of the current ringtone. Now, select the sound you'd like to use for your alarm. You can usually preview each tone before choosing it. After selecting your preferred alarm sound, tap Save if your device requires it. Some Android phones save the changes automatically. That's it. You've successfully learned how to change the alarm sound on your Android phone. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.